The University of Houston fan had his man cave destroyed by a storm in 2023. Well, a year and a half later, the family is back in their home.
Just in time, the man cave was rebuilt for March Madness. And Heather Ruiz with this story.
Imagine you're a U of H fan and start collecting items, and over the years, it transforms into this. It all started while Sean was going to college at the University of Houston.
In 2002, when I was in college, I started decorating a dorm room. I started with pennants. They were cheap. I was able to get them online.
While in school, Sean met his wife, and the collection, well,
once I graduated, I just really never stopped.
He has.
I've got stuffed cougars. I've got a lot of schedule posters, cups, T-shirts. I've got a bunch of shirts from the 70s and 80s, and then there are, it's a lot of.
You name it, he probably has it. His favorite.
This is the Cottonmouth Cougs poster.
He tried to buy one for 20 years, and finally in 2021, he got one on eBay.
I think I paid about $150 for them. Nowadays, they're worth closer to $200.
Now even his wife, Katie, helps him search for things if she spots them.
More expensive hobbies that he could have, like hunting and fishing and golfing. So, I mean, he gets a good deal on most of these items. And I went to U of H as well, so I'm a big fan of the Cougars, so I support him in his collecting.
But during a bad storm in June of 2023, they say a tree fell on their home, destroying several rooms, including his prized U of H game room.
The memorabilia was spared. Yes. The roof was destroyed.
As soon as the tree fell on it, we kind of just got everything out of here. But
the family says they've been out of their home for nearly 2 years, finally finished the rebuild in January. And first things first,
we immediately started putting this room back together.
Just in time.
Especially with March Madness.
But this room is more than just a collection. It's a trip down memory lane that shows not just how the University of Houston mascot has morphed, but also how the school has changed and is now part of the Big 12. And the family hopes that one day they can shuffle this wall around and hopefully add some Final Four memorabilia. Anayeli Ruiz, KHOU 11 News.
Just in time, just in time.
Love it.
I
All
love
right.
it.
And this